And as you can see, we tapped into this demand zone, and then this is the reaction that we got. Remember, all this price action, we've gone through it in our previous video. You understand, I do hope that you understand this price action because I kept on repeating it on our last, I think, 2 to 3 videos, okay? So right now, what can we expect? We did break structure to the upside, the fractal structure to the upside. Our expectation is for price to pull back into some level of value. That could be a demand zone. That could be an FVG. Yeah, in the lower time frames. So we'll be able to check that. So we did break structure. We are waiting for the market to come into a supply area, and as you can see on the daily time frame, we really don't have a supply area except for these buy to sell wicks. All right, these are called buy to sell wicks. So we may see some price action or some form of retracement, which probably will initiate this fractal pullback, or even in the lower time frames we may get a supply level that we can work with. But for now, this is the price action that we are getting. We did break fractal structure to the upside. We haven't gotten that pullback. That is what we are waiting for in order now for us to buy with the dominant trend, because at the moment we are just waiting to capitalize on the pullback. Remember, this is where we broke structure to the downside, and now we are just waiting for the pullback to come into the I like to target the mean threshold or the 50% of this range. So let's just measure that real quick. So this is the high. You measure from the high